welcome to Nasir Soft. This is the fifth video of the tutorial series of natural language processing, and in this video we will talk about n-grams. As its name indicates that n-grams, how many number of pairs. If we use bigram, it means we consider two words pairs, and if I say trigrams, then it means three words pairs. Okay, so inside my PyCharm, okay, so first of all I import the NLTK and all the data packages of NLTK, okay, for give the path to the NLTK data. And now we have to import the word tokenize. So for this, from NLTK dot tokenized import word tokenized, and after importing word tokenized, now for example this is the text from which I want to analyze the n-gram. Okay, and the text is very simple, that is I love my country Pakistan. Okay, and for this text, first we convert a word tokenized, okay, for each individual token of the text. For this one I save a variable that is word tokenized, for example word, and token, for example word token variable, and inside this one I tokenized each this text by word. Okay, and pass the text to the word tokenized. Now token is made inside the word token variable, and now I print the list of the, for example, bigrams. So from NLTK dot, first we talk about the bigrams. Bigrams shows us the two, as its name indicate, that bigrams. Okay, and pass it the all the tokens now. And if I execute this one, here you can see that there are the first pairs, that is bigram one, I love, this one I love, and love my, and then my country, and then country Pakistan. So there are four bigrams in this text. So what's about the trigram? For trigram, just replace the bigram with the trigrams. Okay, and if I again execute, then you will see that I love my country, and my country Pakistan. There are three bigrams, trigrams are here. Okay, so here you can write the n-grams inside the Python PyCharm, and from here, uh, okay, at the place of trigram, here write the every grams. Okay, this shows you the all possible grams. Click on the enter, and from the result here you can see that first I love my country Pakistan, each individual gram is showing to you, and then the bigram love my country Pakistan, and then the trigram is showing love my country, three words, and at last the whole I love my three words, and at the last love my country Pakistan, and I love my, this is fourth word, love my country Pakistan, and I love my country, this is three, and from this love my country Pakistan four words, and I love my country Pakistan. You can work with the n-grams in the Python. So hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any questions regarding to this topic, you can email me at nasirsoft@gmail.com, and email is mentioned in video description also, or you can comment inside the video comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed, have a nice day.